How to change your character in the Fortnite. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change your character in the Fortnite. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your Fortnite. Now from here you have to click on this locker icon that is in the top left corner. Now from here is the option of the character outfit, and here is all of your outfit, bags, blinking, default package and your character, and everything is available here. Now from here you just have to select the character and simply save the changes. Now in my case there is no character available yet, so I am not able to change any of the character. So if you have any of the character, just have to go in it and select it, and you can also customize your own outfit. So this is how you can change or create the character in your Fortnite. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.